snow sweat. What's up, RNS squad? It's your girl Shay in the cold.
It's your boy Rush&Shae.
Man got me in the cold.
Right, it's snowing.
Look at my shoes.
We outside. We're going to see who can stay the longest outside. So
I'm telling you right now.
we're going to be playing in the snow. So guys, it's my first time seeing snow. So always I watch it on TV. I don't want to look up at the end though. Sorry. You have to enjoy snow a little bit. There you go.
Snow angel? I gotta record this on my.
Yo,
huh? Look at this big kid. Me, I'm not doing that though. You on your own.
Look here. The past snow. Just create a bird. I want to share walking on my bird. Tell about RS man. It's just a look of vlog. I play some snow 5 phone. You see? That's what she do. But you can't make no snowball. You run. Fuck. It's not on ice.
Hold on. This is snow sweat.
Hold on. Hold on. Yeah, we're enjoying the snow in New Jersey. You're not on ice. A slush.
Not yet.
A slush.
When it start raining. When it start raining.
Which a while ago. Yo, man, not lie. Outside cold. Look what you just know this one. Wombat. Look at him. Look at him. Look at him. Look there. Look how mess up the parking lot. So it's snowing in Jersey, guys.
That's why I feel like my head on fire.
They're creping the road. If you run down in, we're in a snowstorm outside. Whoa. Now walk around the building. Outside not that bad. Guys, look. Never care, never sit on the road, never dog. Hold on, I'll go walk around the fair. I'll walk around the company. May I come? You have to have good boots in there over there. Come walk around the complex, huh? Come walk around the complex. Live on her.
Even my lashes have.
You want a jacket to put on?
My eyelashes.
One jacket up on my car. We say it on Chinese. It's on Chinese.
Look at my eyelashes. Even my eyelashes have snow on it. Look
She's
at my
on Chinese.
hair. I'm freezing. I didn't know snow would stick in my hair like that. It's like real. Alright, guys.
She gone.
I'm gone because I lose. My nose dripping. I got snow in my hair. Even my eyelashes. Look at this
The
shit.
flies.
This motherfucker is evil to me.
Alright, so she gone in. You do what more? Somebody now go up in there for anything. Whoa, outside. No, me walk around the complex. No, walk on the road. Yeah, come now. Come on, man. Stop being like a child.
But look at my hair. Remember, your hair not being wet.
You want to put on one of our in my car?
Yeah. Like, you don't understand. My hair is being wet.
She complain about her hair.
Wet, but I'm gonna get sick.
Look on her. She a hot girl. Look on her. Look on snow. Come. Holy. What you want? You put on your hoodie, man. Alright, so we're going to walk around the complex.
And that's it. I'm going inside after that.
Can she complain?
I'm going inside. It's cold.
Can she
I lived in
complain?
Jersey for too long for this.
Can she complain?
We walking right there and back.
No.
I ain't going.
Come on, man.
My ears are freezing.
Come on, man.
I think I can do it.
Come on, man. Come on, man. Yes, she heard.
I can't do it. I can't do it.
Come on, now.
No.
Let's go.
Look at my hair.
Come on, stop. Come on, let's go. She's crying. It's not that bad.
I don't know. Should be good.
Come on, man.
I can't.
My nose are in water. Yeah, she just come?
This is like something you can really put in the vlog right now. Look at my hair.
Look at her hair. She have high hair.
Look at my hair. Look at this shit. This is what you want me to do?
High hair.
I feel like I'm freezing.
Bossy.
Have fun.
Outside without fear, you know? In the winter weather. Yo. You outside, you know? Look there. On the cross of the road. Oh, there's a salty road as well. That's nice. Look at the main entrance to the building. Can't go in there. Right now people drive on a skid, they must be a skid. Shobo. Look. Fuck me. Leave a dog down there on the road. Just me and the snow alone. Yeah. So guys, me have some more prank I come to now just because work. You don't know anything go. You see me? Yeah, me have some more lit prank I come to now. So make sure you stay tuned and make sure now watch the video them.